The performance and the versatility and value of the Taurus Model 66 makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and versatile personal defense weapon, or just a fun range toy. The Taurus Model 66 is chambered in .357 Magnum. It is also capable of firing .38 Special and .38 Special plus P rounds. It has a 7-round capacity. The Taurus Model 66 has an overall length of approximately 12 inches and weighs approximately 40 ounces. The overall height is 5.7 inches and it's about 1.5 inches wide. The Model 66 is a double-action, single-action handgun. It features the Taurus security system and a transfer bar safety to prevent accidental discharge if the firearm is dropped. The Taurus Model 66 is equipped with a 6-inch barrel with a full-length underlug. The full-length underlug on a revolver primarily acts as a shroud to protect the ejector rod, but its main performance benefits are adding weight to the muzzle, which improves stability and reduces felt recoil, which allows for faster follow-up shots. The Taurus Model 66 has a fixed ramp front sight with a red insert and a fully adjustable rear sight. The Taurus Model 66 is equipped with a stainless steel frame with a matte finish, and the weight distribution is well balanced. The Taurus Model 66 comes equipped with black soft rubber grips with finger grooves. As you can see, I have replaced those grips with the large wooden Hogue Lamo Camo grips, and these grips have performed well. The performance of the Taurus Model 66 makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and versatile personal defense weapon, or just a fun range toy. If you gained value from this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave us a comment and hype us up.